is needed to digitalize siya. So, first is how to navigate the internet. Paano mag-navigate sa internet? How to use it effectively. Number 2, how to use the search engine. Internet kasi nung tawag na search engines na. How to evaluate online information critically. How to make decision making. How to evaluate information online. Also, you students will learn how to access reliable digital content, apply search techniques, how to search properly, and identify credible sources while avoiding misinformation. How to find legit, hindi siya mga fake news, hindi man misinformed online. And also, the lesson emphasizes safe and responsible online behavior. How to become a proper or a good, and to become informed and responsible digital citizens. How you will become a responsible digital citizen. So this is mainly our lesson po. Hello. Yeah. Tapos, okay lang. Hello.
Hi!
Hello, yan ikaw. Ha? Bagsak. So our lesson objectives. So our objective of this lesson. So by the end of this lesson, students will be able to. Number 1, mag-read. Mag-read. Number 1 objective, who will navigate? Ano tawag ako navigate internet effectively? And also, ano nga tawag na web browsers ka? URLs. We'll define later on ang tawag na ang definition. Number 2, follow pa.
Use search engines to find relevant appearing information.
Number 2, objective task. How to use search engines. Ano mga search engines nila tawag? And how to find a relevant information using that search engines. Ito na yung discuss about that. Number 3, panay. Skill panay. Since nagamit ng search engines, what are the techniques you need to apply to get relevant information also? That's number 3. Number 4. Sige, makong good.